Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marta here. Super happy, super excited for this video. I have really fun idea for you. I have been thinking, you love my galaxy video that we've done really long time ago. Very long, I should say. Long enough that I nearly don't remember. And I was thinking it's Christmas time. How about joining those two? Galaxy, Ornament, Christmas. Is it possible? And I was thinking, what about the trees that I have painted as well? And I was like, this can actually be good. This can actually be possible. So I have the idea today. I'm making cards myself, as you can tell, from just watercolor paper. I have this idea of actually making a beautiful galaxy ornament here as the focal point for our card, using watercolor gouaches, and actually have a card, Christmas card with it. I really hope you will join me. I have here on my desk, as I said, watercolor gouaches. Use whatever paints you have. Any watercolors will work. I have just a brush. I have some water here as well. No, I don't. Actually, no, I don't. I need to pour some water. So I'm gonna have some water here as well, and that's it really. Oh, and I have a stamp for Merry Christmas, I think, but you don't need the title either. Use what you have, guys. The main thing is to actually try and make it yourself. I remember that many of you have mentioned, Marta, let's do the galaxy video again, and I just never kind of got into it, but then today I thought, wow, this can actually be possible, so let's do it together. Where do we begin? Well, first of all, my card that I'm using, it's a watercolor base. It's just a watercolor paper, a base for my card. So I'm gonna just go over with clean water, with any water you have, and just make a galaxy. It's gonna be kind of ornament, but not necessarily. It's basically gonna be like a galaxy kind of, I don't know, like snowball behind the glass, something. I don't know. We're just gonna try to make something really pretty here, and that's the plan, that's the idea. Have fun, relax, and paint something really different. This is gonna be definitely different because I haven't painted galaxies for a good few, I should say months, but probably years, and I think it's gonna be quite interesting to just go into it and just enjoy and have a little bit of fun. So I'm just wetting my actual paper in the shape of a circle, like the ornamenty kind of thing, and making sure that everything is wet enough, that we have enough of water in there, so our pigment, our actual paint will just run through it nicely, happily, mixing up and all. The galaxy colors usually are something around pinks and blues and purples and black, of course. So I'm adding just nothing magical about my bottles. This is just the water. I really hope you're gonna try it for yourself, because that's the main thing what I really wish to ask you for. It's please try to paint with me. So I'm just adding, if you have any splashes, that's okay, we're gonna splash it afterwards as well. I'm just adding some pink around here, hoping for some nice kind of color movement happening, which is actually happening. And we're gonna do splashes at the end, so don't you worry about things happening right now. I'm adding pigment and hoping for the movement to happen. So let's see. Then I'm gonna grab a darker one, which is the purple, and I'm gonna just go over. I'm gonna try to also keep a little bit of white space somewhere in the middle, just to kind of make sure that we have some sort of white space happening, of course. As I say, galaxy kind of effect is the best with the colors that are pinks and purples and blues. My next step will be to actually add this blue, maybe a little bit of that blue happening somewhere, and this should kind of as well nicely a bit of more water. really there are some techniques. Of course, I'm sure if you watch some professional watercolor artists, you're gonna find some techniques about that, but I'm really trying to chance my arm here and just go with the flow, Marta. Just enjoy whatever you have, mixing up the colors nicely and just have fun. And I think we can add this blue as well, which could be so nice in the whole mix of all. I think it's gonna be just gorgeous. And I was thinking, wouldn't that be actually cute? I'm gonna just go a little bit with that clean brush just to have this movement there. Wouldn't that be actually so cute if we add some maybe trees that we painted on recently? So when we have the color kind of ready, I'm jumping in with the black pigment everywhere here on the edges especially, and hoping for some kind of movement as well happening here on the actual edges. Now do not worry about your ornament not to be straight or all. It's fine, trust me, it's fine. Now, so we have plenty of water happening here, of course, but that's okay, it will all dry and all, so not to worry. Let's go around with our black, and you can add some water if you wish and just try to move around here and there, here and there. Beautiful. And I wish for the whole ornament to be blackish in all around. So there we go. Now if you feel like, oh, I've lost some color or something you wish to add, jump in with some color. Why not? Absolutely. Why not? And maybe a little bit of that pink here as well. I wish to go back and add in places. Actually, why not? So here it is, looking very nice. I love, love, love it. When you have tons of water, it may be difficult to kind of control it in a way, but it's okay. With time, you'll get there. I also feel that we could definitely do some splashes in a minute. Maybe not now, I thought, but maybe let's wait. And then I'm gonna have clean water just here, kind of moving here. I'm just playing with water, just adding water to the mix here. So kind of clean brush, not so clean, but kind of clean brush, so that we're gonna have a little bit of movement between the colors and all happening here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I do miss a little bit, maybe a little bit of that reds, but you can still add. Look, you can just, not reds, pinks, you can just go over and add if you feel fancy some sort of color being added. There we go. Why not? You can still add it, no problem. And if you feel like, oh, I wish to maybe for some blue, just get that blue as well. Look, because everything is so very wet, things are nicely moving around and it's fine. Now, there we go. I think I'm pretty much happy and ready to dry this. So let's take the drying tool. You can use any regular hair dryer, and let's dry this. So we take our time now. Mind your ears, because I wish you to see the actual drying time, how the movement goes. So mind your ears now. I'm making sure that I have the bright spots still available, so I'm trying to go around it, so not to go on top of my bright spots. Now, everything is kind of dry-ish in places, not everywhere, and not wet everywhere. So let's now, while we still have the bottom part wet, let's get some actual, well, I'm gonna dry this bright spot very much. And let's paint some trees. trees actually. Why not paint some trees right now? So I'm just grabbing my brush and I'm gonna be like really going with the touches on the page here, hoping for some kind of trees going here. And I hope to also mix them up a little bit with the bottom part of my ornament. That's kind of the idea I have. So if you can see, I hope that this will actually, there we go, mix it up with that part. So now we can do exactly the same thing, smaller scale, a little tree on the smaller scale, going maybe here. There we go. So I'm just kind of tapping, touching, and you know, I'm not really precisely making those trees. They're kind of far away. But really you just go one side, another side, make a line if you feel like it, one side, another side. I think the trees are really easy if you practice, and no, mine aren't the best. I could do so much better, I'd say, but that's okay. Look, it's fine, it's fine. Don't stress over trees, like just go. It's so much joy painting these. And then maybe the small little tree here on the side as well, being happy tree next to mommy and daddy, let's say. And I hope they're gonna be also joined with the rest, the bottom part here. Okay, something like that. There we go. There we go. Looking beautiful. I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Wow, super, 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 super. So let's dry this, and then we should do a little bit of maybe splashes as well when everything is dry, and a little bit of some maybe Merry Christmas and a little bit of white snow, kind of. Yeah, we do that. And I'm gonna cover up my planet, let's call it planet, because I really wish the sparkles, the splashes, the pink splashes or black splashes to go all around the actual planet, not on it, because on it I really wish for the white splashes. So the colored one, the black one, I really wish to go around it, not on it, so we'll see. And then the white one. Okay, I like that. Super. Now it's time that we can actually do, no, let's dry this. Let's dry this. Oh, lovely. I love this, love this, love this. Now from the drying and all, we have tons of like it went up a little bit. That's okay, don't worry about that. It will all straighten. Okay, a little bit of that, and we go for the Merry Christmas, which is very nice, I think. And this one is unfortunately Kaisercraft said that it's finished. Sadly, I know tons of you have been asking where's that stamp from. So yes, it's Kaisercraft, but it's quite a few years old set, so it's gone. But you may text Kaisercraft and ask if they will redo it. Who knows, maybe they would. I love, 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 love this. Now, I probably shouldn't say it's ornament, because it's just a planet-ish kind of thing, so maybe not so much even an ornament, but I absolutely love it. Now, we need a lot of water here, so that we can have the white, proper, beautiful white splashes here. For some reason, this is pinkish. Maybe my brush wasn't too clean or something. That's okay too. And what I will do is I'm gonna cover up a little bit of my trees only, I think. Trees only. So we have it. Oh, super. We have this here. Nighttime. Nighttime. I love, 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 love this very much. Okay. Gorgeous. Except we need some bit of splashes here. Oh, okay, it went a little on the, that's okay. And that big one, it's probably a bit too big. Are we able to? Yes, we are able to just kind of clean it off. And there's always a way, guys, there's always a way. There we go. A little smaller, and yeah, way better, I think. Way better. Super. Wow, that is gorgeous. What do you think? That is gorgeous. So we have Galaxy Galaxy ornament. We could actually make a line. It's like an ornament. Yeah, I absolutely love it, I have to say. Cannot wait to hear what you think. When this is dry, you can just heat it up a little bit, your card, put the hard book, heavy hard book on it, and it will stretch and straighten your card. So yes, that's it for today. The only thing is that, yes, let's do a little bit of, yes, a little bit of little stars, I think, are cute, isn't it? I think so. And I'm using, because you've been asking me as well, I'm using Arteza, and paints are also Arteza. Check the link for coupon code, it's under the video and description box. Please check it out. Wow, I actually think that the little the little stars now makes the whole project far nicer. Oh wow, I love it very much. Oh, so pretty. Maybe even like here somewhere on the side, so that, oh, I love it. I wonder what you think. Let me know, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna wrap up at that. Loving it, totally loving it. Thank you so much for being here. I hope this was inspirational in case you've been looking for non-traditional Christmas card. Thank you so very much. I love you loads, but I have to go. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here. Thank you. I love you, but I miss you, but it's time to go. Till the next time, happy crafting, happy painting. Bye bye.